Hi everyone, welcome to CV Updates. In this video, I am explaining how to install latest Java related softwares. As part of this session, I want to cover the below topics. First one is downloading and installing Java 16 software JDK 16. Second one is downloading and installing Tomcat 10 software. Third one is downloading and installing Maven 3.8.1 software. Fourth one is setting the path variables. And final one is writing and executing Spring 5 programs. Please note that I am using Windows 10 64-bit operating system for this session. In case your operating system is different, then you have to download the softwares accordingly. So let's download all softwares and we will install one by one. Open the browser and enter download JDK 16 and open the Oracle official website. You can see Windows 64 installer here. You can click on it. You can take the license agreement and click on download. So it is downloading. Open the browser again and type download Tomcat 10. Open the official website of Tomcat and you have 10.0.6 is the latest version of Tomcat, and you can click the Windows installer for download. So it has been downloaded. And again go to the browser and type Apache Maven 3.8.1 download. Open the Apache Maven official website and click on Binary Archive 3.8.1. Click on it. It is a zip file. We have to extract it. So I have downloaded all the three softwares. Let's install and set the path. I have copied all the three softwares in this location. Let's install one by one. Double click on the JDK 16.0.1. Click on yes. Click on next. So I want to change the location of the installation directory. Click on change. Go to install software. I have created a folder called JDK 16.0.1. Click on the folder and click on OK. And click on next. So it has taken couple of minutes to complete the installation. Please wait for it. And click on close. Let me install the Tomcat 10 as well. Click on the Apache Tomcat 10.0.6. Double click on it. Click on yes. Click on next. Click on I agree. Click on next. Change the server shutdown port. I am changing it to some random number. You can give any number you want, but it should not match with the default system ports. So in case you did not change the server shutdown port, every time it gives an error in the console. So it is better to change this number. Next thing is Tomcat administrator login details. You can provide any details. It is an optional thing and you can click on next. This is a JRE location which has been taken by default. So this is fine. You can click on next. And I just wanted to change the Tomcat location. Click on browse. I have already created Tomcat 10 folder under this install softwares. In case you want to go with the default one, you can go with the default one. But I just wanted to change in a customized folder. And after this, click on install. And click on finish. So let's install Apache Maven. I am installing Apache Maven into my machine. So I have copied the zip file into the install softwares where I want to install my Apache Maven. Right click on the zip file and extract all. Remove this Apache Maven bin. Click on extract. It is a zip file, and by extracting this one, we can able to install the Apache Maven. So this is how we can able to install all three softwares. So let's take a look of the setting the path. Type the env in the search bar. Click on edit system environment variables. Click on advanced. Click on environment variables. Click on new under system variables and enter Java underscore home and go to the installation location of the JDK. I have copied the JDK installation location. Paste here as a variable value and click on OK. And click on OK again and click on OK. Go to system environment variables again and click on new under system variables. Enter m2 underscore home and take the Maven installation location. This is a extracted folder of Maven take it and put it as a variable value under system variable and click on OK. Click on OK again. Click on environment variables again. Click on new again. Enter maven underscore home and take the maven home directory and put it as a variable value and click on OK and click on new again. Enter tomcat underscore home as a variable name and take the installation location of the tomcat and put it as a variable value for the tomcat home and click on OK. Click on OK again. Click on environment variables again. Click on new again. Enter Catalina underscore home and take the tomcat installation location and click on variable value and click on OK. Click on OK again and finally click on OK. Go to search bar and type env. Go to system environment variables. Click on advanced. Click on environment variables. Select the path and click on edit and click on new. Type ampersand java underscore home ampersand / bin. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Click on environment variables. Take the path. Click on edit. Click on new and enter ampersand tomcat underscore home ampersand / bin. Click on again new ampersand m2 underscore home ampersand / bin. Click on again new ampersand maven underscore home ampersand / bin. Click on again new ampersand Catalina underscore home ampersand / bin. Click on OK. Click on OK and click on OK finally. Open the command prompt by typing the cmd in the search bar and enter java-version. So you can see Java version has been changed to 16.0.1. Type mbn-version and you can see Apache Maven 3.8.1. This is how we can confirm that the latest Java and Maven versions are installed in my machine.
Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. In case you like this video, please share it with the others and your friends. And please watch the continuation part 2 session in the next video. I have copied part 2 session link in this video description.